Hello, I am Tiara Denson. I am a teacher at Mumford Elementary School and I teach third grade. I will be sharing with you some tech tips using Canva. Those tech tips will be on ways to use presentation templates and ways to use worksheet templates. The first thing that we are going to do is log into Canva. You will log in by going to canva.com. When you get into Canva, you need to make sure that you are logged in using your TCBOE email, or you may log in utilizing it the way that you log in, whatever email you may use. When you get in there, you will see several icons that are across the top of the page. Above that, you will see the search bar where you will type in what you are searching for. I am going to do or show you ways that you can utilize the presentation templates. So one thing that I like about Canva and presentations is that they are subject specific. So you are able to search different types of subjects that you want to use. For me, I'm going to type in math. When you type in math, several templates will come up. Over to the left-hand side, you're going to click on View More and click Presentations. This is where several presentation templates will come up. You can then select the presentation template that best suits whatever it is that you are teaching. You can also utilize these templates for students if they are doing, say, a research project and want to do a presentation. You can utilize it for that as well. For me, I am just going to click on, say, Christmas Math. When you open up the Christmas Math template, you will see several different pages to the left-hand side where you will be able to select those and add those to your slides. Remember, on the slides, you are able to edit them. So you just double click on them and you will be able to change the text that is there and add what you would like. If you want to add the pages, you would click add and then go over and add the pages, and you can just add as many of the pages as you would like. Remember, you can also go in and edit those pages and change them to whatever numbers or pictures that you would like to change them to. Now I'm going to go back to the home page and I am going to talk about how to utilize the worksheet templates. You're going to go back up here to your search. You can search math. And then you're going to click on worksheets in the left corner of the categories. Different types of worksheets are going to come up. You will just pick the one that you want. You can also search different types of worksheets that you want if you want specific kind. I'm just going to click on the addition and subtraction word problems. When you click on the addition and subtraction worksheet, it will come up like this. Remember, you will be able to edit the writing on the worksheet and you can change it to whatever you would like to change it to. If you want to add pages, you would go down here to add pages and then you can search over here for specific things that you want to add. You can add a game. This is fall bingo. If you add something like this, you can edit it as well. You can go back out, search for whatever it is that you are looking for. I want to click on multiplication arrays. Then something for multiplication arrays is going to come up. You can add that, and again, you are able to edit it as well. So what I always do is just go ahead and add everything that I want, and then I would print it out or share it to whomever or however that I choose. So just make sure that you do that, add everything that you need, and you will be successful with this, and the students will love them all. Thank you so much. I hope that these 2 tech tips have been very helpful for you, and I hope that you enjoy.